So today we're talking about Claude, but more specifically, how we can set up Claude to solve a very expensive problem and have it sell itself as a solution to that problem for hundreds of dollars a month. No cold calls, no high pressure sales conversations. Claude literally sells itself. And I know that sounds crazy, so let me just show you with the real data. All right, so we've all searched for a business on Google Maps at some point or another. If you called one of these places during business hours and you got voicemail, here's what the statistics show. If you just Google missed call statistics, 62% of calls to all small businesses across the US go unanswered during business hours. 85% of those callers not calling back. This costs every business an average of $75,000 a year because 80% of the people that call don't even leave a voicemail. And right here, instead, contact a competitor. All right, so now you know what the problem is. Let's see how we can set up Claude to solve this problem and watch how it sells itself for us. All right, now, a lot of people don't realize that Claude actually powers a number of different back-end automation systems for different AI solutions. This company here called HighLevel lets you resell their AI software that's powered by Claude and charge whatever you want for it. This platform enables Claude to connect with any phone number. Now, don't worry, nobody has to get a new phone number. I'll show you how that works in just a minute. But we're going to set up this bot so that it creates a real-time demo for any business owner and then sells itself to that business owner. So we'll go up here with Create Agent, hit Custom Agent, continue. And if you want to follow along click by click, there's a 30-day free trial link from the description. Normally it's only a 14-day trial, but if you use my link, you get a 30-day trial. All right, so we'll name our agent here. Let's just name it Claude. We're going to choose Claude 4.5 Sonnet, and we're going to plop in a different welcome message here. It's going to say, hey there, my name is Samantha AI. I'm your live demo voice assistant. If you'd like, I can show you what your callers can experience instead of going to voicemail. Would that work for you? Well, that's actually the very first piece of the psychological hook for this, is simply asking, hey, would that work for you? If someone's interested in the demo, then obviously they would say yes. We hit next. So for this demo, we don't need to set up a knowledge base, but you can if you want to. If the business has a website you want to train it on, or PDFs, or some other documents you want to upload for the knowledge base for the bot. I have other videos on my channel that cover that. This one's just for the self-selling AI demo. We'll go ahead and switch to advanced mode here so we can paste in a custom prompt. This is the self-selling AI prompt. This is available for free in my school community. The link for that is also in the description. It is right here at the top. Self-selling AI prompt, and everything you need to set this up is in there. Again, free to join. I don't have any paid courses or anything. All right, so we're good on the prompt. Next. All right, now here's where we can tie it to our phone number. You can buy a phone number right here. If you do install this live for a business, all you got to do is set up conditional call forwarding. It's super easy. It just lets the phone ring to the business owner's cell phone or the landline. Instead of it going to voicemail, it'll get forwarded over to the AI to pick up. We'll turn this off for the demo. That way the AI picks up right away since it's already going to be ringing on the business owner side. All right, our bot is set up here. We'll go ahead and go through the demo. And after this is done, I will show you where to go so you can get business owners onto this demo. So again, you don't have to cold call. You don't have to have any cringe sales conversations. So here we go. Check this out.
Hey there, my name is Samantha AI. I'm your live demo voice assistant. If you'd like, I can show you what your callers can experience instead of going to voicemail. Would that work for you?
Yeah, sounds good.
Great, and thanks for taking a moment with me. To begin, I'll ask a few quick questions so we can customize the demo. Can I start with your name?
Sure. My name is John.
Thanks, John. Now, what's the name of your business?
My business is ABC Heating and Cooling.
Perfect. And John, who do you typically serve? Consumers, other businesses, or both?
A little bit of both, but mostly consumers.
Gotcha. And what kinds of calls or customer interactions do you handle most often?
Typically, it's emergency service calls or quotes for new installations.
Got it. Now, John, how would you like customers to experience me? More friendly and conversational or more formal and professional?
Friendly and conversational sounds good.
Sounds good. Is there a specific situation you'd like me to demonstrate? Like booking, answering questions, or handling a frustrated caller?
We could do booking.
Perfect. Thank you. Now, based on what you've shared with me, John, I'm going to switch into Roleplay mode and act as your voice AI assistant. This will give you an idea of what your customers can experience instead of getting lost to voicemail, especially new customers who might hang up and call one of your competitors. Keep in mind, this is just a demo, my knowledge base, and everything I say can be fully customized for your business. Let's begin. Hello, thanks for calling ABC Heating and Cooling. My name is Samantha, and I'm an AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Hi, Samantha. I was just looking to see if I could get my furnace serviced.
Absolutely, I can help you with that. Is this the first time you're experiencing an issue with your furnace, or has it happened before?
No, there's no issue. It's just regular cleaning for now.
Got it. So just your regular yearly maintenance. When was the last time you had your furnace serviced?
Well, it's been a couple years, so I kind of been slacking on that. Couldn't even tell you, to be honest.
No worries, happens to a lot of people. And how soon are you looking to get this done? Is it something that needs attention right away, or can it wait a few days?
There's nothing crazy going on, so, anytime this week is fine.
All right. It sounds like you're looking to get your yearly furnace maintenance scheduled for sometime this week. I'm going to relay this information to the team. Is there anything else you'd like me to note before we get someone scheduled to help you?
No, that's all.
Perfect. Is the number you're calling from the best callback number?
Yep, this is my cell.
Great. And can I get your name, please?
It's Jared.
Perfect. I've got all your information. You can expect a call back from our service coordinator within the next 24 hours to get you scheduled for this week. Thank you for calling ABC Heating and Cooling. We'll get you taken care of. All right, John, that wraps up the demonstration. I do have additional features we can talk about, but just out the gate, do you think having me working for you 24 hours a day might save you at least one new customer a month from getting lost to voicemail? Or worse yet, calling a competitor before you get a chance to call them back?
Probably would save 1 or 2 calls a month. We get a lot of dropped calls. They don't leave a message, or they leave a message and we try to call them back and they don't answer.
Exactly, and that's super common. A lot of those people move on to the next company pretty quickly. So John, if you don't mind me asking, so we could see how much I might be able to help, what would you say your average order value or sale price is? It doesn't have to be exact.
Well, for a new install, could be $7,000-8,000. For a service work, maybe $750 or so is average.
All right. So at $750, I would only have to save you one sale a month to cover my cost at only $497. Then after that, you would be in profit. I'm thinking something though. John, what if I worked for you for free for the first 30 days just so you could give me a try? Then if I do bring in more sales, you would be cash flow positive from day one. Would that help you?
Cash flow positive from day one would certainly help me, yeah.
All right, John, that sounds great. I'm excited to help you land more customers. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to schedule an activation call with 3-phase marketing so I can be fully customized for your business. It only takes a few minutes, and I'll be live on your current phone number. When would be the best time for you?
All right, so then it goes into the booking. So now you can book them for a call, and it gives a business owner a chance to experience what their callers are going to experience, because a lot of times that's what they're concerned about with AI is, how's it going to sound? Is it going to treat my customers right? It asks them relevant questions, puts them through that live scenario, then asks them about their ticket price, and then tells them how much revenue they would get based on what they said, and they sell themselves. Now, that all sounds great, but how do we actually get business owners to want to even get on that call or listen to that demo? And that I cover in this video right here. Jump in there and I'll see you on the next one.